Salam Guys, Ryan here, back with a banger. Hope you're doing well. Today we're in South Birmingham, Rubery. We've headed to a pizza place, again, called Fireaway Pizza. I've never been here before, and it's a new sort of franchise. It's across the UK. I'm used to like going to Caprinos or Dominoes even. Dominoes you should boycott at the moment because of the Palestine-Israel conflict. Anyway, that aside, we're going to head into Fireaway Pizza, try out their pizza because, yeah, everything's halal as well, so that's a plus. Going to get a couple of pizzas and some sides too, so let's head in there now and find out how it is. Seating, not too much seating in there, it's more like takeaway. But you've got a really nice display when you come in to see all the ingredients and all the food being assembled, well, the pizza specifically. And they also do some quite nice sides like chicken tenders and chicken wings. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that too. But most importantly, the pizza. So the first pizza we got is the wild buffalo. So it comes with buffalo mozzarella. And again, apologies for the sound. My mic's dead, so I'm just using my camera. To be honest, I didn't think it was going to be loaded in meat as well, but it definitely is. There's loads of sausage, pepperoni, and yeah, a good amount of buffalo mozzarella on there too. I'm not quite sure which style of pizza this is. This just seems like a Roma style pizza. It's quite thin. It's not a Neapolitan pizza, but it looks like it's gonna slap. Yeah, like Sabrina said, it's nice and juicy. I don't think it's just like the actual cheese and the tomato giving it the juiciness. I think the meat also enhances that. It's yeah, really decent. But yeah, as well, these come with two sauces of your choice. And we've gone for the garlic, herb, and ranch. And you know, the crust's the best in the sauce. So yeah. Yeah, it's really decent sauce. And I think these are actually their own brand of sauce. And this is the ranch one. And then we've also got the garlic and herb. Oh, but I've run out of crust, so I need to eat another bit of pizza. Yeah, let me finish this slice and I'll get onto the garlic and herb. Yeah, let's give it a try with this. Yeah, very standard to what you can get in other places like Dominoes or Caprinos and so on. It's it reminds me of cream cheese, almost like the texture of it, but yeah, it is standard. But yeah, and in terms of sides, we've gone for the chicken tenders, and I think these are actually cooked in the oven because there's like a nice char on them. Oh, and I put a bit of the garlic sauce on here too. Ooh, these are quite lean, really nicely seasoned. This is the chili honey flavour. As you can see, there's tiny bits of chili flakes, and then each drizzle of nice bit of honey on top afterwards. It's got a bit of a like after kicking heat. I know they're not entirely healthy, but they feel a lot better than when they're actually fried. So yeah, and they taste good. Moving on to the next pizza. Apologies, this was unintentional. I've got two really meaty pizzas, but this is the meat lover pizza. This comes with standard mozzarella, but this, additionally to the pepperoni and sausage, it's got actually like sausage, like meatball type chunks, and then it's got bits of turkey bacon on there too, turkey rashers. Yeah, I think I prefer this one because there's like a better ratio of cheese. It's just like across the whole pizza, whereas on the other one it's more like put across the place, but here's what it is. We're gonna tuck in, enjoy these two delicious pizzas, and yeah, we've actually got a dessert afterwards, and I've never had one of these before. Oh, actually, before we move on to the dessert, I forgot to mention, these guys have got some like authentic Italian drinks. I think they're actually Sicilian. I've never heard of this brand before, but I thought I'd have to try it. We got a lemon flavour, so limonata, and then we've got the yeah, Arancia Rosa, which is blood orange. I love blood orange.
It's a card and an app. It teaches kids how.
It's quite sweet, nice and sour. Yeah, that's really refreshing. They did also have like Coke and Pepsi here, but you know, we need to boycott that. Yeah, we've also got the lemon one. That's quite nice actually. I thought it was going to be very sharp in flavour, sorry, but it's quite subtle. Quite like it, but I prefer the blood orange personally. So dessert is here, and this is the first time I've ever had Nutella pizza. This smells, yeah, amazing. I don't really like, not that I don't like Nutella, but it's not something I generally go for. But this, yeah, looks like it's gonna bang. I know Sabrine's gonna like it. I know Sabrine would eat all of this if she could. We've got some extra strawberries on there. You can get marshmallows and banana as well, but I just thought keep it healthy-ish. Yeah, Sabrine really likes it. It's not bad to be honest. The dough's nice and chewy. You have the nice chocolate flavour. It's almost like having a cake. It's so weird, but I'd really recommend it. I don't think I can eat all of this, but
I could.
it's definitely worth trying. All in all, pizzas here are really good, and if you've got a Faraway in a place near you, I'd highly recommend you take them out. And as well, they do customisable pizzas, so you can like pick and choose what toppings you want. You don't have to go for the signature ones, but yeah, all in all, good experience, good sides too, and yeah, we've really enjoyed it. But anyway guys, please like, comment, share, subscribe below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Salam. Well guys, what an experience. I forgot to mention as well, staff was super friendly, and that was before they even knew we were going to film inside, so that just goes to show, really nice ladies working in there. It was amazing, so definitely check out the Rubery branch. Extra friendly people.